Welcome to this video demonstration of heated and air-conditioned seats. You're probably, even if you've not had it in a car, you're probably familiar with heated seats and probably familiar with that symbol, which is the symbol for heated seats. So we're in a Kia Optima at the moment. That will turn the driver's heated seat onto full. Free lights is full, and same for the passenger seat. And every push of that button, the temperature for the driver's seat, which I'm currently sat in, will go down. And similarly, same for the passenger side. In itself, that isn't too unusual. There are a few cars nowadays that have that. What you don't find too often is this symbol here. This symbol is for the air-conditioned seats. Every push of that button, as you can see, is now bringing on free blue lights. Same with the passenger side. That will now alter the settings of this air-conditioned seat that I'm sat in. So it's on full power at the moment, and obviously you can turn that down should you wish to. Now, obviously in a video it's very, very hard to really feel that working, but sitting here, particularly as it's a pretty cold day, you can feel that kicking in instantly. It's a really clever system that sort of blows air throughout the seat that you're actually sitting on. So on a summer's day, and I've tried this on a summer's day, it really is a fantastic, fantastic thing to use.